Hi guys, welcome back to AQA Certificate Further Mathematics Gcse. Today we're on chapter 5.1, Parallel and Perpendicular Lines. This is a grade B video. I hope you enjoy it, and let us start. So if you have two lines with their equation, how can you tell their relationship without drawing a graph? This is one of the most interesting questions that people ask in math, and there are only there are a lot of ways to find out their relationship, but one of the most common, two of the most common are parallel and perpendicular, and they have a really special relationship concerning their gradients, and so it can give a lot of information about a graph or even a diagram. So for parallel line, they never meet each other, and so they have the exact same gradient throughout, from infinite negative x to infinite positive x. They are all the same, and that is why they don't cross each other, because as long as they are straight lines, they will never meet, basically. And so in order to achieve that, they must be having the same gradient. And for perpendicular, let me change the slide. Alright, I've copied the graph paper down here, and you can see that the first gradient noted by M. M in math stands for gradient most of the time, other than meter, and M1 means the first line's gradient, M2 means the second line's gradient. And now let us try to imagine this point is 0. What we can count is first thing first, I have rotated M1 90 degrees downwards. You can check that yourself. It doesn't matter. It works, basically. So M1 and M2 is 90 degrees apart, although it doesn't look like it. But let us look at their gradient. M1 has a gradient of 3/4 because the height is 3, the width is 4. M2, on the other hand, has negative 4 over positive 3, because its height is negative 4 and its width is 3, so that makes it like that. These you will see it's actually you can relate them as M is negative of M1, M2 is negative of M1, but the denominator and the numerator flip from each other, so top and bottom flip, that's the word. So it is named negative reciprocal, and that means it's going to be, if you flip them and turn it negative, it's perpendicular. So if the perpendicular is not that clear, you can see it as the first gradient multiplied by the second gradient will equal to -1. If you're good at rearranging, you can find out the negative reciprocal that way. And for parallel, just they are equal, and that's it. You just need to remember these 2 points, and there aren't a lot of things that you can do with it, but it's really useful in geometry, and especially things that include coordinates. And so that's it for this video. I don't have any question for you, because I cannot find any reliable or useful questions for you, since they are so obvious. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time.